Ever feel like you're staring at a digital puzzle, where all the pieces are numbers, and you're not even sure what the picture's supposed to be? You're trying to manage your small business finances, keep track of invoices, expenses, maybe even payroll, and you've got QuickBooks Online, which everyone says is intuitive and easy to use. But it's just not clicking. You're clicking around, trying to figure out how to reconcile your bank account without accidentally deleting your entire customer list. Sound familiar? You're not alone. So the question is, in this digital jungle of accounting, where do you find a guide? Is there a course for QuickBooks Online? And more importantly, is there a good one? Let's face it, QuickBooks Online is powerful, can do a lot, but that power comes with complexity. You're not just dealing with simple addition and subtraction here. You're managing financial workflows, generating reports, understanding chart of accounts, things that, unless you're an accountant, can feel like you're trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphs. Now, you could try to learn it all by yourself. You could spend hours scouring YouTube videos, reading forum posts, and trying to piece together information from outdated help articles. But honestly, who has that kind of time? You're running a business. You've got customers to serve, products to develop, and a million other things on your plate. You don't have time to become a QuickBooks Online expert overnight. And here's the kicker. Making mistakes in your accounting can be costly. One wrong entry, one missed transaction, and you could be dealing with tax penalties, inaccurate financial reports, and a whole lot of stress. So, it's not just about saving time. It's about avoiding costly errors. That's why the question of whether there's a good QuickBooks Online course is so important. It's not just about learning the software. It's about gaining the confidence to manage your finances effectively. It's about knowing that you're making informed decisions based on accurate data. It's about having that peace of mind that comes from knowing your books are in order. Main content: exploring QuickBooks Online courses. So, let's dive into the world of QuickBooks Online courses. Yes, they exist. In fact, there's a whole ecosystem of them. But not all courses are created equal. You've got a spectrum, from free YouTube tutorials to comprehensive paid online programs. And within that spectrum, the quality can vary wildly. First, let's talk about free resources. YouTube is a treasure trove of information, and you can find countless tutorials on QuickBooks Online. But here's the catch. These tutorials are often fragmented. They might cover specific tasks, like creating an invoice or reconciling a bank account, but they rarely provide a holistic understanding of the software. They might also be outdated, as QuickBooks Online is constantly being updated. You might find a tutorial that was recorded on an old version of the software, and the interface is completely different now. Then, there are the free resources offered by Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks Online. They have a learning center with articles and videos. However, these resources are often basic and may not cover the specific needs of your business. They're a good starting point, but they might not be enough if you're looking for in-depth training. Now, let's move on to paid courses. These are where you'll find the most comprehensive and structured training. They're typically taught by experienced accountants or QuickBooks Pro advisors who have a deep understanding of the software and its applications. These courses often cover a wide range of topics, from basic setup to advanced reporting. They also provide hands-on exercises and real-world examples, which can help you apply what you're learning to your own business. When evaluating a paid course, here are a few things to consider. Instructor qualifications. Is the instructor a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor? Do they have experience working with businesses like yours? Course content. Does the course cover the specific topics you need to learn? Does it provide a comprehensive overview of QuickBooks Online? Course format. Is the course self-paced or live? Does it include video lectures, written materials, or hands-on exercises? Course reviews. What are other students saying about the course? Are they satisfied with the quality of the training? Cost. Is the course affordable? Does it offer a good value for the price? Support. Does the course provide ongoing support, such as access to a forum or email support? You'll find courses that focus on specific industries, like construction or e-commerce, which can be particularly valuable if you're looking for tailored training. You might also find courses that focus on specific features, like payroll or inventory management. Another option to consider is working with a QuickBooks Pro advisor directly. They can provide personalized training and support tailored to your specific needs. This can be a more expensive option, but it can be a worthwhile investment if you're looking for one-on-one guidance. Benefits of taking a QuickBooks Online course. Taking a QuickBooks Online course can provide numerous benefits, including improved accuracy. You'll learn how to enter transactions correctly, reconcile accounts accurately, and generate reliable financial reports. Increased efficiency. You'll learn how to automate tasks, streamline workflows, and save time on bookkeeping. Enhanced financial insights. You'll learn how to analyze your financial data, identify trends, and make informed business decisions. Reduce stress. You'll gain the confidence to manage your finances effectively, knowing that you're doing things right. Compliance. You will be more likely to stay compliant with tax regulations and accounting standards. Profitability. Learning to properly use QuickBooks Online can contribute to increased profits by giving you accurate financial information. Choosing the right course. The best course for you will depend on your individual needs and learning style. If you're a beginner, you might want to start with a comprehensive course that covers the basics. If you're an experienced user, you might want to focus on a course that covers advanced features. Consider your budget, your schedule, and your learning preferences when choosing a course. Don't be afraid to ask questions and compare different options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.